Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find dy over dx. So that should be about dy over dz and dz over dx. That means we need to find first the derivative of y with respect to z. This one we need to do first the derivative of z with respect to x. So for the first one in here, we know that this one that is about z to the power of 1 over 4. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 1 over 4 z to the power of 1 over 4 minus 1. And later that we do first the derivative of z. So this one we have number 1. So we just write like this. So 1 over 4 minus 1, we have negative number 3 over 4. Next, we do first the derivative of z with respect to x. So that's about this one. So if we do first the derivative of this one, so we have number 2, 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 to the power of 2 minus 1. So this is about number 1, and we just write like this. Later that we do first the derivative of 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. So first the derivative of x squared, we have 2x, number 3 and number 2, we have 6x. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have negative number 6. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. Now about z, we change by this one. So because we have the power 2 multiplied by negative number 3 over 4, we have negative number 3 over 2. And we just write same of this one in here. So after we got like this, now we can put number 2 going here. To find the value of dy over dx. And this one equals to number 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.